Hi friends, welcome back again English My Journey. How do you? I think you're well and having a very good time. I'm also doing well. I'm really very sorry to say that I could not make any video for a long time. I'll definitely make at least one video every week. Friends, today in this video I just want you to understand that why we should learn spoken English and why we always think that spoken English is difficult. Let's get started. Friends, spoken English is needed. There are so many reasons behind it. If you want to teach your child, you need to learn this new language. If you want to visit a new place, a new country, you need to learn this language. If you want to get a good job, you need to learn this language. Friends, English is a global language, so it's good to learn this language. And the second point is why we always think that spoken English the reason is that we always speak in our mother tongue. We can't speak in English because we never practice. So it's a matter of practice. Friends, when a child start learning a language, the child doesn't know about grammar. So I think English for spoken English grammar is not needed. Suppose about a child, when a child start learning a language, the child don't know about grammar. The child try to understand the situation, and he try to understand the language, in which situation what kinds of language is using his or her parents. That is most important. So I think grammar is not important. uh, just you have to have a passion and you need to practice daily. Friends, trust me, it is easy, it can be possible. Friends, just you have to have a passion, you need to determine to learn this language, and keep practicing. Friends, I'm a Bengali medium student. If I can do it, I think all of you can definitely do it. It's nothing but a language. So suppose if we had not been even tried to speak in Bengali today, we could not be able to speak in Bengali today. So it's a matter of practice, and never ever give up. Keep practicing, and never ashamed to make mistakes. It's needed to make mistakes. It's like I will say that it's like cycling, it's like swimming, it's like computer. So you need to practice daily, and you have to have a passion, and you need to determine to learn this language. I think you can definitely do it, and I will always try to encourage you to learn this new language, and I will always try to inspire to learn this language. Friends, it's nothing but a language. So uh, please don't fear to learn this language. Mm, so mm, so thank you so much for watching this video. I think all of you getting my point, and uh, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. See you soon. Till then, take care, keep practicing spoken English, and have fun. Thank you. Thanks a lot.